Good day, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this. I want to show you guys how I took this tweet last week, Wednesday. That was on the 6th of this month, November, 6th of November. I heard this tweet for like 3 days throughout the weekend, and it hit my take profit immediately. Market open right here. I hit my take profit on Sunday. So let me show you guys how I took this trade. I started from daily time frame though. Yeah, this daily time frame. When I see market like take out this last low, market take out this last low and mitigate this candlestick that sweep the liquidity right here. This red candlestick, as you can see, this red candlestick. So market started reacting. Though I did not take any action, I did not react to the market. I'm trying to wait for market shift to occur. So I go to any time frame. I go to 4 hours. So here this 4 hours time frame. I see this is the last high to the order block, to the daily order block. This 4 hours time frame. This is the last high to the order block. So this is our couch and market take it out. As you can see, you see market take it out right here. And market come back to this low. Yes, demand zone. Yes, demand zone right here. Let's go to 1 hours time frame to see clearly where our demand zone is. Yeah, I think I take my demand zone in 15 minutes, not 1 hour. In 15 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, these are demand zone right here. When market is going up, when market take out this high, the market come back down there and started moving up. And market come all the way down. I think I took action from here, from this area that take out this liquidity, take out this last high. That is market shift, this other flow that cause market shift right here. I think I took action right here. Yeah. Not even right here because I make this place as my liquidity and I use this. I use this. I use this. Yeah, I use this. The market will take out this low and yeah, I think I took action when I see this reaction. There's market shift in 1 minute right here. Market later take me out. Market took me out right here. So these are the market come back down to this demand zone right here. No market touch it like 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did not take any action again because I was waiting for another market shift to occur. This is a 15 minutes time frame now, and this is the last high to this demand zone. So I was expecting market. I can't take this high because market only sweep this last low. Market sweep it. There's nothing like breakout or something. So I wait for the market to take out this last high so I can take action. So immediately market take this last high. I was waiting right here. Yeah, I think in 30 minutes, I think I got my other block in 30 minutes. Let's see, guys. Yeah, I got my other block in 30 minutes, and there's a favorable gap. There's little favorable gap right here, right here. This little favorable gap right here. This is the candlestick. I make use of my other block. This is the candlestick, and there's a liquidity right here. The market come all the way down here to our other block, to our other block. And when market is coming, and I think there's last high right here as well. When before market mitigates our other block, I took action again. I hit like stop loss like 2 times before I catch this market. I took action right here. That was on the probably Tuesday. Yeah, that was on the 5th. That was on the 5th. I took action right here because when market mitigate this this other block, 30-minute order block, I go to mini or micro time frame. Let's see. Yeah. This is the I in 1 minute when I can mitigate that 30-minute order block. This is the other block. This is the I go to 1 minute time frame then before I hit stop loss. So I make use of this as my last high to the order block and market take it out, and I take this out like this. Yeah, this order flow that caused the market shift right here. Yeah, I think I place my stop loss, though I not take action. Yeah. I take action right here. Right here, when I see markets we head to this zone, I take action probably right here, and I don't want to waste much. I place my stop loss right here. I think yeah, market took me. Yeah. That's it. I should have placed my stop loss below this high. I should have catch the market right from here. But market took me out before it started moving. This is the way I place my stop loss. This is where I place my stop loss. Yeah, I place my stop loss right there. That's why this my second trade is stop loss. I was targeting, I think this last high. Yeah, this last high to cause break of structure here. I was targeting here. Yeah, I was targeting here. So market in my stop loss, then move. So the next day, immediately I say that in 5 minutes, I wait for the main last low. This is the main last low to the order block. So I wait for this low. I mean for this high, sorry. I wait for this high to the order block and market take it out on the 5th of November. So when market before market take it out, market creates a liquidity right here. Market creates a liquidity, and there is a order flow like this order flow, this mini order flow. Let me see. Let me probably is another block 5 minutes. I mean 15 minutes. So this place serve as a liquidity and market take it out. So I not take the market immediately as well. So I wait for the market to take out this last high to this other flow, mini order flow right here. So market take it out. Immediately market take it out, I wait for the retracement. I take action. I took action in 1 minute. Yeah, I took action in 1 minute. Immediately market take this last high out. As you can see, you can see that immediately market take it out. And market even create a liquidity. It create a liquidity before market started moving up. Before market started moving up. Market creates a liquidity right here, and market sweep that liquidity to mitigate this order flow, And I took action immediately. I think like four candle close in bullish, like one, two, three, four. Like yeah, immediately this fourth candle close, I enter immediately without hesitating. In 5 minutes, I think bullish is one bullish candle in 5. Yeah, it is one bullish candle before the candle close in 5 minutes. Before this bullish candle close in 5 minutes, so I entered the trade. As you can see, I spent like 4 days plus weekend. Like I spent like 3 days from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days. So plus weekend, and the market hit my take profit on immediately market open Asian session on Sunday. So I placed my stop loss below this order flow right here, and I was targeting like because market was doing higher high, higher low. As you can see, guys, immediately market sweep out the market take out this change of character. on the daily time frame order block right here. Immediately market take it out and market creates another market shift right here, cause break of structure as you can see. So I was expecting market to cause another break of structure right here. So I was targeting this last high. I target this zone, this zone right here, because then I know like market will take out this other this break of structure, because there's break of structure, there's market shift right here, there's change of character right here, break of structure right here. So I was expecting another break of structure to occur right here. So this is where I place my take profit, and immediately market open right here and it hit our take profit on Sunday. Thank you for watching. We took this trade yesterday. That was on the 10th of November. That was yesterday that I took this trade on mini time frame, like mini time frame. Let's see, guys. I'll show you this video later. Thank you for watching. Peace.